สั่งหลายรอบอยู่นะมันไม่มีส่งฟรีหรอกคะให้ไกลเองอ่ะเพราะมันต้องรอกี่วันนะเราก็ไม่รู้ว่าตอนไหนจะมีสั่งถึงเราไม่ได้มีสั่งทุกวัน
Okay, guys, check out the feast. You see this? My rice. I tell you, this fried fish looks amazing. Really, really good. Oh, that's good. See if I can show you the fish. Can't do it. It's a barramundi, that's what it is. Crispy barramundi. Oh, that's good. Man, that's good. I thought it was sometimes, but it's not. It's very similar, but more has vinegar in it. Man, that's a winner. Especially the fish. Wow. This one here is Tom Kha Gunk. I've only ever had this with chicken. Look at the size of that. That's big. Oh, it's seafood. It's got mussels, squid, and shrimp. I haven't had this in a long time, and never with seafood. It's coconut milk, right? Oh, that's good. Oh, that is so good. Got that beauty, huh? The staff there thinks I'm crazy. They're right. There's no doubt about that. That coconut milk. I hate coconut. If you know me, you know I don't like coconut. This is delicious. Oh man. I'm supposed to eat it out of the little bowl. Oh well, mushroom. It's a straw mushroom. Cherry tomato. Oh, that's so good. Squid with, looks like tartar sauce. Not tartar sauce. Similar. Look at that. Oh, that's good. Can't go wrong with squid. Oh, that's really good too. This is the best one. And it's all delicious. Wow. What an awesome place. Spectacular views, delicious food, good service. Only waited maybe 10 or 15 minutes to get all this food. Unbelievable. Try it this way. Mix and match. Oh, that's good, man. That is delicious. That is spicy dipping sauce. Man, oh man, oh man. Only wine shrimp though. But he's a monster. That is so good. I can't believe how good that is. That's half the shrimp. It's like a lobster. It's even got the roe in it. You see that red one? Oh yeah, I shake a lot. Shake like an old man. It tastes like lobster. It really does. Okay guys, that is it. What an awesome place. This is actually a resort. A restaurant at the resort. The views are spectacular, as you can see. The food out of this world. It was so good. Cost 1,900 baht, a little over for everything. The fish was expensive. I think 800 just for the fish. So that's $55 or something like that, in that range. A little less than $60 US. And after that, just about was for the fish. The fish was delicious. But not as good as the soup. That was the best one. Wow, that was good. Beautiful, huh? Pay that money just to get the amazing views. Wow. Over at this island, there's 5 or 6 kayaks. They came from here off this beach. And if you sit here, it's just non-stop boat traffic through here. This is the way they go around the island here in Koh Lipe. That's how I found out about this place. I went by here twice yesterday. And yeah, just absolutely beautiful views from the beach. And from here looking out over the water, spectacular. Alright guys, as always, thanks for watching. I really do appreciate it. Worth a visit if you're ever in the area, that's for sure. You'd be a fool not to come here.